Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Stafford Audi. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Audi A3 Sportback Black Edition. This vehicle features a 1.5 petrol engine producing 150 PS. Power is delivered through a smooth S-tronic automatic transmission. This example comes in the lovely Glacier white metallic paint colour. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. Down below, the vehicle sits on a set of 19-inch alloy wheels coming in a multi-spoke design. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find some privacy glass on the rear windscreen, and helping you park and manoeuvre there's a rear view reversing camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the boot area of the vehicle, there's a large amount of storage space here, perfect for a variety of different applications. For the rear passengers there is a comfortable 3-seater passenger bench with a folding armrest in the middle, and all the seats in the vehicle come finished in a lovely leather upholstery, with the two front seats being S Sport bucket seats. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system includes inbuilt navigation as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device. Throughout the rest of the centre console we'll find some climate controls, a few cup holders and a comfortable leather armrest. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel as well as an Audi virtual cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Audi A3 Sportback Black Edition. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.